Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And if you're new to our channel, welcome. Tonight, we're going to cook our first Neapolitan pizza. The other day, Lori, you made our first Neapolitan dough recipe. And what are we going to do now?
Oh, we're going to cook it. And we're going to cook it in the traditional manner at high heat for about 60 seconds and see how it comes out.
And the oven's been on for about 25 minutes on high heat. And it's our understanding we just keep it on high when we put this pizza in. So.
Oh, I guess I do. Maybe I need a. Oh well, we'll see how this turns out. I've only been watching Vito Jacopelli. He says, make sure that you don't touch them. You keep your hands in the middle.
Are you through with this?
Mm-hmm. Now the dough's really soft, really nice.
And while we do have a video on Lori preparing this dough, we'll also put a link in the description, or rather, we'll put the recipe Lori used in the description of this video as well.
Okay, seems like pretty nice. Okay, I always build my pizzas on the peel, so we'll just put this aside.
Okay, we're gonna kind of
put this here. We'll stretch it up.
All right, good. All right,
Yep.
I'll get rid of this.
Look, it's a pretty sticky dough. Wow, Bill, I could have knocked my sauce right on the ground.
Oh well.
Oh well, it could have been a disaster.
We don't need that top, right? We'll get that.
Okay, this is just tomatoes with a little salt, which is the traditional. Not too much.
Here, and I'll put that up so it doesn't get knocked over.
Okay. Fresh mozzarella. Just a few blobs here and there, not too much.
Now we've cooked really mostly New York style pizza. We did one Chicago thin crust. We have that video up. If you want to take a look at it, that was a lot of fun to do and it tasted really great. So this is the first Neapolitan.
Yep. Okay, let's see how that works.
Is this it?
That's it.
This is it. Okay. All right.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, we got a little, if you'll just put that down below.
Okay.
Okay, so now what I'm looking for is this to start to rise, which it is.
Wow. Look at the big bubble in the middle.
I'm going to test it.
Uh-oh, I think I'd wait.
Okay, that center's a little soft.
Yeah.
Okay, but.
Okay, well, good job. Okay, good.
Okay, we had a little bit of the.
I guess we should have set our timer and make sure.
Yeah, well, we can look back in the video and we can track it. And I think it was Wednesday where we went to.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, we went to
Doppio Zero Mountain View
to get motivated. We have that video up as well. Okay, I don't know. Do I just keep?
Well, you want to make sure that looks like it's almost ready, huh?
Yeah. I think our dough's getting a little.
Oh, but even Vito, he did turn it down. Uh-oh.
Okay.
He did turn it down, I remember.
Okay, we caught our crust on fire.
Okay.
I think this one's coming out, Lori.
Okay, let's put it on the rack. Put it on the rack. The rack.
We're gonna do this.
Oh.
And so this is our first Neapolitan, and you can see we've, because of the semolina, we've kind of burnt it. Can you bring that rack and put it over there?
Yeah. That looks good. Wow, looks pretty nice. I forgot Vito when he did Jacopelli, when he did cook it in the uni. He did turn it down.
Yep. Well, we expected to have to do more than one pizza.
Yeah.
So we actually have another ball, but we're
Okay.
not going to do that tonight.
Nope. Okay.
All right. Do you want to?
Well, should we put it on there?
Oh, you want? Okay. Yeah. Sure.
Okay.
We can just slide it on.
Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Looks pretty good.
All right.
Think you? Oh, look it. He always touches it on the side.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice.
Normally we would use our Ooni rocker blade to cut the pizza.
I noticed Vita always uses scissors.
Yeah. So we thought we'd bring our scissors out and.
Well, you wanna-
Okay, you take your piece.
Okay.
I'll take my
Nice and
piece.
thin.
Okay.
Wow, look at that.
Got a droop.
Yeah.
Let's see, I like to fold it in half.
Let's see.
Okay, I don't know.
Oh, we were going to put our basil
Oh,
on.
basil. We didn't put our basil on. Okay. I don't know which camera's gonna get that rise. But the crust looks
Very nice.
looks nice. It's a very basic sauce, right? What is
Just tomatoes and salt. Very nice.
Okay. Taste is good. I like the crust. How long has this been proofing, cold proofing in the?
72 hours.
Okay.
And then I took it out and let it proof on the counter for about 4 hours.
Okay.
I'd say this was a success,
Well,
except for that little edge.
so I'm not ready to declare it a success. Taste is fantastic, but I don't like this this charring here. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't like that charring.
No, the Neapolitan Pizza, according to the association, no charring.
No charring. So
I mean, you can have a little bit, but
we have more work to do. We knew this was going to be a little bit of a journey. And let's see how long this is going to take us. But clearly, this was caused by the amount of semolina, I believe.
No, I think it's because we didn't use Vito's tip of turning it down when we first put
That
it
could
in.
be too.
Yeah.
We'll look back at the video, but clearly, once I launched, some of the semolina on the peel went with the pizza, and then that started to catch on fire in kind of an arc. But we'll do the analysis. So why don't we kind of close it out?
Okay.
Cheers. Our first Neapolitan. We got some more work to do, but we're committed to getting it right.
I think we got at least a B.
Well, who knows? The taste is great. So, all right.
Well, see you next time for our next Neapolitan.
And what do you always say, though?
Oh, please like if you like this content, share with your friends, and subscribe. Thank you.
And to all our subscribers and our viewers who have yet to subscribe, we really appreciate you taking time to check out our videos. And what really drives things for us are the comments and any questions, because we learn through that process. So, till next time.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Tastes good, though.